Hello dear subscribers, today let's talk about drafts. So if after updating to a new device your TikTok drafts are removed, so how you could also fix that? So one thing you need to know that actually is just saving to your local data. So if you have that videos, that drafts on your previous device, on old device, so firstly you just need to save them to gallery, and also after just move to another device, because if you will just not have access to all device, so there is no way how you could do that. So please don't believe anybody that will tell you that you could do that, because really it no way. So if you won't have access to your old device, you won't be able to just get that drafts, because they are saving locally on device. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye. Please download my apps in description and comments. So bye.